Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you make a close ad account active in Meta Ads Manager. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Meta ad account is closed, disabled or deactivated and you want to make it active again, then what you can do is check why your ad account was closed. Usually Meta closes ad accounts due to billing issues like unpaid balances and violation of ad policies, suspicious activity. You should have received a notification or email explaining why. The next is to trying to reactivate via business settings. To do it, simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in business.facebook.com. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is log into your account by simply typing on the login on the top right corner of your screen. Then once logged in, find your closed ad account, and if the option is available, simply click on reactivate or appeal. Then submit an appeal if the account was disabled if you don't see a reactivate option. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.